$6 billion. That is what the wasteland took in rug pulls in 1 year, and here is the part nobody says out loud. 92% of it came from one operation: polished, conference stage, handshakes and lanyards, not a hoodie in a basement, a company. Because scams are not accidents, squad. They are a product. Built on a line, shipped on a schedule, run from a playbook. And a playbook has pages. Tonight I am putting the whole thing on the table, every stage, every tell, so the next time it walks up to you wearing a suit, you recognize the script before it opens its mouth. This is part 8 of the survival series. The briefing is the weapon. Load it. Get the picture right first. You are not up against one con man, you are up against an industry, an assembly line. One crew writes the story. One crew builds the token. One crew paints the crowd. One crew works the exits. They ship dozens at a time because volume is the business model. Most launches die the same day they are born, the graveyard from the trenches briefing, and the line just stamps another. That should not scare you. It should steady you. Factories make identical products. Identical products carry identical flaws. The suit changes, the accent changes, the chain changes, the playbook does not. Learn 4 stages and you have learned almost every con in the wasteland at once. Stage 1 is where it always starts, with you feeling special. Count the launches, not the promises. The line never stops stamping, and neither do the flaws. Stage 1. The bait. Every con opens the same 3 ways, the 3 uniforms we named at the vault. Someone official, someone helpful, someone rich. But the playbook's real weapon is not the costume. It is the feeling it hands you. Urgency, the window is closing. Exclusivity, you found this early, you are one of the smart ones. Proof, look at the stage, look at the backers, look at the crowd. Now hold that against the number from the top of this briefing. The single biggest rug of that $6 billion year did not look like a scam. It looked like the safest ticket in the room. Conference keynotes, professional decks, press. The polish was not a sign it was real, the polish was the budget. Cons spend on the front because the front is the product. So flip the tell. The harder something works to make you feel chosen, the harder you check it. Nobody hands strangers free money because they are special. The bait is always a story about you. The truth is always in the paperwork. One more tell before we move. Real operations survive your patience. The bait cannot. If waiting a week kills the deal was the weapon. Stage 2. The paint. A story needs a crowd, so the playbook manufactures one. Chats that are 90% bots agreeing with each other. Follower counts bought by the crate. Endorsements from faces that never held the token. And the big brush. Painted volume, the tape itself, faked. Researchers who studied the lightly regulated venues put it above 70%. Most of the activity you see is the con trading with itself, so the water looks deep. We stood in front of this at the wasteland briefing, the plywood crowd. Cutouts on sticks propped around a stall so the caravan slows down. It works because your brain counts heads before it checks pulses. So the drill is simple and it is cold. A crowd is not proof. Noise is not demand. The only crowd that matters is the one you can verify on the ledger, and the ledger does not clap. And here the quiet part. Painted volume is not just a lie about popularity. It is a lie about exits. The crowd you think you can sell into is plywood, and plywood does not buy your bags when the fire starts. Stage 3. The trap. This is the stage you never see because it is welded in before the paint dries. 2 numbers from the research files, both from the last briefing's locker. 1. Studies that scan the major chains flagged 8 to 12% of tokens as built to rug from birth. The taking is written into the contract itself, waiting for a hand to pull it. 2. In a study of 388,000 liquidity pools, roughly 9 in 10 showed the liquidity-yank pattern, the exit you would run for in a fire, already rigged to vanish. Understand what that means. By the time the bait finds you and the paint surrounds you, the trap is usually already set. You are not being hunted in the open. You are being walked into a room where the floor is on hinges. That is why feelings lose this war and paperwork wins it. The contract does not lie to be polite. The pool does not care how good the keynote was. Read what is welded, not what is worn. Burn the sequence in. The bait made you feel chosen. The paint made you feel late. Now the trap makes leaving impossible, and it was welded in before you ever heard the name. The danger was never in the chart. It was in the paperwork on day one, in plain sight of anyone who read it. The wasteland does not ambush readers. It ambushes believers. And that reading is why this squad exists. If this briefing is arming you, lock in, hit subscribe, drop the like so the algorithm marches it to the next survivor, and fall in at the DeFi Warlord's Telegram. The wasteland works alone. We don't. Stage 4. The Drain. The ending has 3 costumes, and you already know their symptoms. This is recognition, not instruction. Sometimes it is fast. The floor simply vanishes, the chart falls off a cliff, the chat goes ghost quiet in minutes. Sometimes it is slow. The team delays, the roadmap stretches. The wallet you watched quietly walks the treasury out the side door while the story keeps playing. And sometimes it never announces itself at all. You just discover, the day you try to leave, that the exit only ever worked in one direction. Here is the line that matters. By stage 4, defense is already over. Nobody reads their way out of a drain in progress. Every read that saves you happens at stages 1 through 3 before a single coin moves, which is exactly why the counter playbook is short and why it runs before the money does. That is next, and when it ends quiet. No alarm, just a chart that stops answering and a door that was never real. By the time you feel it, the ledger already knows. Now flip the book. Their playbook has 4 stages, yours has 5 tells, and if you took the last briefing, you have already trained them. The ledger, who really holds it 1 whale and 40 masks, is a bait sign. The exits, is the floor locked or on hinges? The contract, can it mint, can it freeze, can it toll? The welded trap shows up here. The humans, real names with real history or a stage costume. The tape, is the crowd flesh or plywood? 5 reads. Every stage of their script trips at least one of them. The bait fails, the humans read. The paint fails, the tape read. The trap fails, the contract, and the exits. That is the whole secret of this war squad. The con is a performance, and performances only survive an audience that will not check backstage. 15 minutes of reading beats $6 billion of production budget every single time. And if 15 minutes is the cost that keeps you out, there is a post in the wasteland that cuts it to seconds. 5 tells, 2 minutes. Run them before the money moves every time, no exceptions. At the Forge, we built that post. The verification post, the safety layer of the DeFi Warlord Forge. You hand it a ticker. It runs the reads you just learned and hands you back a verdict in plain wasteland language. Paste a token before you touch it and get a plain safety verdict from on-chain reads. Can you sell it? Can it be minted out from under you? Is the tax rigged? Who controls it? How concentrated are the holders? How tight is the deployer's grip? 6 safety reads, 1 plain verdict, safe ground or don't step here. It does not tell you what to buy. It does not promise safety. Nothing in this wasteland gets to promise that, and anything that does is running stage 1 on you. What it does is read what is welded, the ledger, the exits, the contract at machine speed, so the 15-minute discipline costs you seconds, every time on every ticker before a single coin moves. The Forge calculates. You sign. The playbook only works in the dark, squad, and the verification post is a floodlight. Walk over. DeFiWarlordForge.app. The link is below, standing at the front of the column. Briefing ends. Say the verdict back to me. Scams are a factory, not a lightning strike. 4 stages, the bait, the paint, the trap, the drain. 5 tells beat all 4, and every read that counts happens before the money moves. The polish is the budget. The crowd can be plywood. The paperwork never performs. Your marching orders. Subscribe and ring the bell. The next briefing finds you instead of the con finding you first. Hit the like. Then fall in with the squad. The DeFi Warlord's Telegram chat and the announcements channel are linked below next to the Forge. Next briefing, new ground, same war. The wasteland never runs out of lessons. Be here. That's the briefing, squad. Read before you touch out there. Subscribe. Turn bell notifications on. Join our DeFi Warlord's home base, link in the description. And salute to the squad.